Hello guys, Golden, Joe and Adam here. Now here we have the showcase of Church Lane level crossing in Yorkshire. Now this crossing's got its brand new LEDs, the Yodel alarm, and with weighted XPX rail barriers. This one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1/4 weights on this one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1/4 there. Don't know what that makes. Here we've got your concrete crossing plant with no anti-trespass guides. Here's your other XPX rail barrier with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1/4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1/4. Here's the back of your LEDs. There's one up there. And there's the front of them, the back of the top one. Now, here's your other LED. Here's the back of them with your Yodel alarm. This one has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1/4 there.
And there's that one 8 1/4 as well. That's for 16 and a half.
Here's your barrier. Here's your anti-trespass. No, here's your concrete crossing plants. No anti-trespass guards on either side. And there's the barrier. It's probably got the same weights. Here's the back of your LED.
16 and a half.
Here's
And
the
here
front
is
of
the
your
back of
lights.
these lights.
This one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1/4 there. XPX rail systems. And here's your barrier. There's the LED. And this crossing is on the
Darlington to Saltburn side.
this is on the Shipsham to Darlington route. That way goes to Darlington. That way goes to Shipsham, whatever it's called. So yeah, guys, this is Church Lane level crossing in Yorkshire. Thanks, guys. Next video.